A wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here on Bitcoin. So right now, we actually had a pretty nice rejection from our short area, which we just closed our trade, by the way. So another successful trades here for the members. A little 16%er, nothing too crazy, but again, another win that we're tucking in for the year. And I'm still looking to see if we are going to extend a little bit lower here on Bitcoin. I think the lows are near. I think we're coming to an end. But I want to see confirmation. I want to see either these lows hold or we break the lows, we sweep them, and then we come back up in a pretty explosive move too, right? We already have a buy signal right now on the daily time frame for CrossX, so that's a pretty good sign already that the trend is trying to slow down. If we get another sell signal and no push up, then that's going to be pretty bearish, and we could actually even break down to 75,000 and even take out these lows, right? So we would want to be really careful at the moment. Now, I'm still thinking that the more probable thing, probable scenario is that this range that we're in, this buy area, is going to hold, right? And this is an accumulation range, and we're going to chop around, right? We're going to chop, and then we're going to come out of it. That's my opinion. When we look at the stock market, everything's been pretty bullish lately. It's been pumping pretty hard. We've seen big rallies, but we haven't really seen Bitcoin participate in that. So not a really good sign either. Bitcoin hasn't been trading too well. When we take a look at excuse me, sorry, I had something in my throat. We take a look at the daily time frame, 17 and the -4 on the dual band strength index. So momentum is slowing down a little bit, and you're also seeing that on the 4-hour, right? We're seeing momentum kind of die off. It's chopping sideways. Could basically be in this range here for quite a bit of time, right? We could be in another range and chop here for a very, very long time. So let's be careful about calling in, the bottom and all this stuff, because we could be in something like this. So if we come back down to 84,900, this is kind of the mean of the range. You could try and long it here. If you break down below, then your major support is at 80,000. So this is the range that we're in at the moment. Breaking above it would be great. That would confirm that we could maybe go back up and maybe tag 97. So it's really up to the market to decide what's going to happen. I'm not really seeing any signs or any signals on Wave Edge, so I'll keep the members up to date. So if you guys want to join in, links in the description. And you have a wonderful evening. Peace.